Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add subscript or superscript, subscript or and superscript in Word. Okay, so here you can see I have Word file here and I have some data. So I will show you to apply subscript or superscript in this formula, or you can say it is data. So I will show you. So I'm showing you a shortcut key also and formula. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I'm going to apply subscript. Select the number or text and go to the home, and here you will find font. Just click on this down arrow, and here you will find option like superscript and subscript. So I just want to make it superscript. I just click on it, it will be done. Okay, so if you want, again I want to make subscript, so in font you will see the option like this. This is for subscript and this is for superscript. So I just make super subscript here. You can see subscript has been done. There is a shortcuts I will show you. So shortcut for subscript, it is control and equal. Okay, if you enter control and equal, you have to press select, then press control and equal. It will be convert the subscript. It will be convert the text below the line. And if you want to move it above the line like superscript, just hit control and shift and plus sign. Let's see, control and shift and plus sign. Okay, so okay, you have to just check from here. Just check control plus shift plus. Okay, just click on it. It will be go above the line, and it's called subscript. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.